Hey, welcome back. This is Sonny. Let's talk about duplicate content. This is a huge topic when it comes to search engine optimization. Now, duplicate content is content that appears on the internet in more than one place. For example, if you read or see a paragraph or a blog post on one website, and then you also see the same exact blog post, same exact copy on another website, that's duplicate content. Most business owners think that if they have duplicate content on their website, then Google will penalize their website and throw it on page 100. That's not really true. Let me show you what Google's guidelines are when it comes to duplicate content. So this is coming straight from Google. Avoid creating duplicate content. Duplicate content generally refers to substantive blocks of content within or across domains that either completely match other content or are appreciably similar. Mostly this is not deceptive in origin. Example of non-malicious duplicate content could be discussion forums, store items with multiple distinct URLs, printer-only versions of web pages. But here's what you need to understand when it comes to duplicate content. In many cases, content is deliberately duplicated across domains in an attempt to manipulate search engine rankings or win more traffic. Deceptive practices like this can result in poor user experience when a visitor sees substantially the same content within a set of search results. And this is what you need to pay attention to. In the rare cases in which Google perceives that duplicate content may be shown with intent to manipulate our rankings and deceive our users, we'll also make appropriate adjustments in the indexing and ranking of the sites involved. As a result, the ranking of the site may suffer, or the site might be removed entirely from Google Index, in which case it will no longer appear in search results. Okay? So if Google feels that you're adding duplicate content on your website strictly for search engine rankings, strictly to get more traffic, then yes, your website can get penalized by Google. But let's say if you outsource content for your website, if you hire somebody or multiple writers and they write blog posts and content for your landing pages, and let's say one of them happens to be a duplicate blog post, it doesn't mean that by default your site will be penalized and thrown on page 100 of Google. So don't panic if you find any duplicate content on your website, because it's okay to have it once in a while. However, it's always a good practice to have original content on your website, to have unique content on your website. Now make sure when you outsource, let's say content for landing pages or blog posts, make sure that your writers are handwriting it. They're not using any softwares to write the content for your website. They're not using any article spinning softwares. So what that does is, let's say if you want them to write for 7 ways to increase the life of Oriental rugs. What a writer can potentially do is find an article on another website that is very similar, or an article that exactly talks about the same topic. They can copy paste it into a software which will then generate a new article. Okay. Now those are really, really cheap. Usually you can get those for maybe $10 an article or something like that. Please don't do that. Make sure that the articles on your website are written by humans and they're handwritten. They're not written by using softwares and so forth. When you reach out to someone, when you find someone who's going to write for you, you can talk to them about it and say, hey, make sure the articles I get are written by you and not by a software. It must be written by a human. Now, having said that, every now and then you may still get articles from others when you outsource it that were either stolen from another website, which means they were just copy pasted and sent to you, or they were written through a software. So what you can do in that case is, every time you get an article a blog post or copy for the landing page of your site, you can go to Copyscape. So Copyscape, let me show you, is a website. So what you do is, let's say you asked somebody to write a 500-word blog post for you. When you get it, when you receive it, you can copy paste that blog post, come to a Copyscape as long as you have an account with them, and then copy the entire blog post in Copyscape and see if it's duplicate or if it's original. Copyscape will tell you, show you exactly if there are other pages on internet that have the same exact blog post or article that you received. And they're very reasonable. If you go to their products, Copyscape Premium, see it says 3 cents per search up to 200 words. They're very reasonably priced. You can always sign up with them, buy some credits, and then when you receive content for your website, you can simply copy paste here and make sure that it's not duplicate. It's that simple, really. You can even tell the writers that are writing for you that you have membership with Copyscape and you will be checking every single article they provide you with Copyscape. So they already know that you'll be checking their articles. That way they'll make sure they don't send you duplicate content or anything written by a software. And it'll save you a lot of time in reading it yourself, of course, and trying to find duplicate content yourself. Just come to copyscape.com, copy the blog post once you log in, and Copyscape will show you everything. Okay? So once again, like I said, if you find duplicate content on your website, it's not the end of the world. Okay? Don't panic. But it's always good to have original content on the site, because remember, Google is all about user experience. And Google feels when you have duplicate content on your website, then that's not a good user experience, because the person coming to your site may have already read the same thing someplace else. And so that's the main reason why Google does not prefer sites that have duplicate content on them. So make sure it's handwritten, it's original, and then you check yourself or have someone in your office check it through Copyscape. Okay? And so this will help you get higher rankings faster than the websites or your competitors who are trying to fill pages of their websites with duplicate blog posts and landing pages and so forth. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.